I can do it, you can spread your wings. Blessing off a flow like a river. 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 That for them for know some man a leader.
Guys, welcome back to the vlog. As you saw, I ended the previous vlog in the same setting. So I'm on my way to the Campari pop style party. Well, not really. I'm going to meet up with the rest of, you know, the Campari team right now, and then we're going to head to St. Thomas because that's where the event is happening for today. If you guys was tuned into my main channel, you would have seen me tell you guys about all the upcoming Campari pop style events. If you did not, then I'll link it down below so you guys can go ahead and check it out. But yes, I'm actually going to be judging. I'm going to be one of the judges today at the St. Thomas event. So I'm nervous, but let's see how it goes. You know, shout out to Campari for having me. Yeah, so I literally was just getting ready. I edited this morning and stuff, and now I'm on my way. It's not even that late and the evening looks so late, but yeah, so that's what's up. Just checking in back in this purple wig. Really love this wig. It's so sleek and straight, and it's just everything. Remember, this is originally a 613 wig. It did not come customized in this color. I'm the one that did it like this, and this is the second time I'm changing the color. Remember, this was my birthday wig and it came off with a more pinky look initially, and then I decided that I wanted to change that. So this is what we have. So yeah, that's it. I'm just rocking very sultry looking eyes and nude lips, well, glossy lips, natural glossy lips. So that's what's up. I'm on my way there, so I guess I'll see you guys in the next clip.
It's all about the second stop. The share the thing, alright, you understand? You know the first stop was in St. Elizabeth Junction.
You hurt me, you did, several times. It hurts to admit that we're no different. I find it hard to commit, but you don't even try. Still I'm better with than without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call in your eyes? I can't tell if you're here or you're out there. Do you wanna be out there? You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need to kill a dragon for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy still every time. Whatever it is, I keep on trying. 'Cause it ain't hard to forgive when you know what it's like. That's why I'm better with than without you. Oh, come on. Want it, but why do you seem to call in your eyes? I can't tell if you're here or you're out there. Do you wanna be out there? You
As long as God love me, I'm alright. From my mother love me, I'm alright. From my bank love me, I'm alright. From Titan's office love me, I'm alright. I'm not getting a big store, no. Cause my things them real big and loud. Boom. Yeah, son. What's your name, baby?
Romaine.
Romaine, where you come from? Which part?
Lita.
Lita? Fort? Anybody here from Fort? Let's do the Campari waistline and move first. You have plans. You said, you see how I am? You understand why you're pregnant, Miss Kid? The blood. But hey, come here. See how fast here. Please drink responsibly and wine responsibly. You see your friend them sell it out? I want your mark and night here. I see him say, you make the book here? I say, girl, when they look behind you and she say, hey, girl, you take them on. Them run left field. Mark them face and take sleep, mark that one. You see him? You know we have the eye for the money man then, right? And anytime you see a rich man, I always show the ladies then, right? Because me believe that me have a rich man, so you have one too. And I believe that when you find one rich man, you find the next of them. Just like if you find one broke man, you find the next of them, and you have to spray them, okay? So you see that broad, pretty eye man there? Him rich man. Him named DJ Nico, okay? And I have one person, people that pop on the stage, and I pop in their bank book. So if you're single, or you have some money. All when you have a lucky man, a DJ Nico, a man of visa. Come, watch me now. You want to play the song, see? I'm going to want you to give a little preview of what the girls from York St. Thomas can do. Can you see? Any old Nico like when see? They're going to put up money off high video. Yes, sir. We're not back from challenge, boy. Yes, sir. I'm going to come out and follow we have, alright? Remember, see, you're not trying for the dancing contest, and embassy, right? So we can relax and have some fun, okay? So you represent for the young girls, okay? And your friend will sell you out like Judas. Ready now? Jiggle time. Yeah. Because if I some dirty nigga, you look fun. If you tell you say you look nice, or go on girl, pick up yourself, night to let Jesus Christ it. Judas will raise back. So you have to love yourself. So if you love yourself, boy, you clap right now. Because you see that barber, you even look big self. Make some noise, got passion. forward. Because I want to be certain. Wow! The most stylish female tonight, Anisha McKenzie. But these two beautiful women. Tell me to Campari pop style till now. And the harshest competition between two females. Because they look good from the core of their head to the soul of their feet. So there, of 100,000 dollars. Contestant number 1, Cabell McDermott. Cabell McDermott. To walk away $100,000 tonight, first and Campari.
Blessed tax. Every day we do it, then people support.
Everybody must have blank to them company by tonight.
Somebody must have this kitty blank in our place.
Well, St. Thomas, it was nice being here. The people in St. Thomas are very vibrant. Like, yo, the people let me just enjoy themselves. So, leave it now.
Fire can't cool me up on fire.
Original Batman.
It's features.
She give me pon me heart, say she give me pon me heart. Fine girl a coming on me heart, say she bounce pon the thing so. Whine it pon me thing so. Put the thing upon me thing, whine it pon me thing so. I say she whine it pon me heart.